CapCut Online's Photo Colorizer is a free way for you to transform black and white photos into vibrant color. If you've got black and white photos and are curious to see what they would look like in color, keep on watching to learn how. Starting on CapCut.com, in Magic Tools, under For Images, find Photo Colorizer. Upload the desired image from your device or conveniently from the cloud and watch as the magic unfolds. This tool will study the photo and automatically change it to color. It's exciting to watch the colors transforming the cold black and white image into life. Click the symbol in the bottom right corner to view your image in full screen. You can download straight away for free directly to your device, or share that photo and spread the AI magic to your social media. Turning black and white into color brings new life to historical photos, portraits, landscapes, and more. A new perspective brings new opportunities. Thanks for watching! If you like this series, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel and click to watch more.